So welcome to the new video of Speed Learning 2x, which is related to all the competitive exam. Here the focus will be given on the common subject of competitive exam like reasoning, maths, and also the quick revision of previous year paper will be done. So today we will do the next part of the country capital quick revision. So please go through the previous videos of country capital. The link is below in description box. Please do hit like and subscribe button and comment down below if any doubt. So let's go. So the first country today we are going to study is Marshall Island. The capital of Marshall Island is Majuro. The currency of Marshall Island is US dollar and the language of Marshall Island is Marshallese or English. Now the next country is Mauritania. The capital of Mauritania is Nouakchott. The currency of Mauritania is Ogu and the language of Mauritania is Arabic. Now the next is Mauritius. The capital of Mauritius is Port Louis. The currency of Mauritius is Mauritius rupee and the language of Mauritius is English. Now the next country is Mexico. The capital of Mexico is Mexico City. The currency of Mexico is Mexican peso and the language of Mexico is Spanish. Now the next is Micronesia, Federated State of. So the capital of Micronesia Federated State is Palikir. The currency of Micronesia Federated State is US dollar and the language of Micronesia Federated State is English. Now the next is Moldova. The capital of Moldova is Chisinau. The currency of Moldova is leu and the language of Moldova is Moldovan or Romanian. Now the next country is Monaco. The capital of Monaco is Monte Carlo. The currency of Monaco is euro. The language of Monaco is French, Italian or English. Now the next is Mongolia. The capital of Mongolia is Ulaanbaatar. The currency of Mongolia is Togrog. The language of Mongolia is Mongolian. Now the next country is Montenegro. The capital of Montenegro is Podgorica. The currency of Montenegro is euro and the language of Montenegro is Montenegrin. Now the next country is Morocco. The capital of Morocco is Rabat. The currency of Morocco is dirham. The language of Morocco is Arabic. Now the next country is Mozambique. The capital of Mozambique is Maputo. The currency of Mozambique is Metical and the language of Mozambique is Portuguese. Now the next country is Myanmar or Burma. The capital of Myanmar is Naypyidaw. The currency of Myanmar is Kyat and the language of Myanmar is Burmese. Now the next is Nambia. The capital of Nambia is Windhoek. The currency of Nambia is Nambian dollar and the language of Nambia is English, African or German. Now the next country is Nauru. The capital of Nauru is no official capital. There is no capital in Nauru. The currency of Nauru is Austrian dollar and the language of Nauru is English or Northern. Now the next country is Nepal. The capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. Currency of Nepal is Nepalese rupee and the language of Nepal is Nepali. We are going to do the quick revision of these all countries. So this time we will learn also side by side. So the first country is Marshall Island. Capital is Majuro. Currency is US dollar and language is Marshallese or English. So Marshall Island, Majuro, US dollar, Marshallese or English. Marshall Island, Majuro, US dollar, Marshallese or English. Now the next is Mauritania. Capital of Mauritania is Nouakchott. Currency of Mauritania is Ogu and the language of Mauritania is Arabic. So Mauritania, Nouakchott, Ogu, Arabic. Mauritania, Nouakchott, Ogu, Arabic. Now the next country is Mauritius. Capital of Mauritius is Port Louis. Currency of Mauritius is Mauritian rupee and the language of Mauritius is English. So Mauritius, Port Louis, Mauritian rupee or English. Mauritius, Port Louis, Mauritius rupee or English. Now the next country is Mexico. So the capital of Mexico is say Mexican City. The currency of Mexico is Mexican peso and the language of Mexico is Spanish. So Mexico, Mexico City, Mexican peso and Spanish. Mexico, Mexico City, Mexican peso and Spanish. Now the next country is Micronesia Federated State. So capital of Micronesia Federated State is Palikir. currency is US dollar, and language is English. So Micronesia Federated State, Pali Kir, US dollar, English. Micronesia Federated State, Pali Kir, US dollar, English. Now the next country is Moldova. Capital of Moldova is Chisinau. Currency is Leu, and the language is Moldovan. So Moldova, Chisinau, Leu, Moldovan. Moldova, Chisinau, Leu, Moldovan. Now the next country is Monaco. Capital of Monaco is Monte Carlo. Currency is euro, and the language is French, Italian, English. So Monaco, Monte Carlo, euro, French, Italian, English. Monaco, Monte Carlo, euro. Next country is Mongolia. The capital of Mongolia is Ulaanbaatar. Currency is Tobruk, and the language is Mongolian. So Mongolia, Ulaanbaatar, Tobruk, Mongolian. Mongolia, Ulaanbaatar, Tobruk, Mongolian. Now the next country is Montenegro. The capital of Montenegro is Podgorica. The currency is euro, and the language is Montenegrin. So Montenegro, Podgorica, Euro, Montenegrin. Montenegro, Podgorica, Euro, Montenegrin. Now the next country is Morocco. The capital of Morocco is Rabat. The currency of Morocco is dirham, and the language of Morocco is Arabic. So Morocco, Rabat, dirham, Arabic. Morocco, Rabat, dirham, Arabic. Try to pause this video and then repeat 2-3 times by yourselves. Then you will get to learn this. Morocco, Rabat, dirham, Arabic. Now the next country is Mozambique. Capital of Mozambique is Maputo. Currency is Metical, and the language is Portuguese. So Mozambique, Maputo, Metical, Portuguese. Mozambique, Maputo, Metical, Portuguese. Now the next country is Myanmar, which is also known as Burma. The capital is Naypyidaw. Currency is Kyat, and the language is Burmese. So Myanmar, Naypyidaw, Kyat, Burmese. Myanmar, Naypyidaw, Kyat, Burmese. Now the next country is Namibia. The capital is Windhoek. Currency is Namibian dollar. Language is English, African, or German. Namibia, Windhoek, Namibian dollar, English, African, German. Namibia, Windhoek, Namibian dollar, English, African, German. Now the next country is Nauru. There is no official capital of Nauru, and the currency is Austrian dollar, and the language is English. So Nauru, no capital, Australian dollar, English. Nauru, no capital, Australian dollar, and English. Now the next is Nepal. The capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. Currency of Nepal is Nepalese rupee, and the language of Nepal is Nepali. So Nepal, Kathmandu, Nepali rupee, Nepali. Nepal, Kathmandu, Nepalese rupee, Nepali.
So all done for today. Now we will continue in next day. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. And also if you have any doubt, comment down below related to this topic. I will try to clear your doubt replying. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.